My name is Dr. Reddy and I'm a consultant in anaesthetics and intensive care medicine based here at Wrexham. In North Wales we normally have a series of events to try and promote sepsis to staff and the public. So to promote that we were running a stall at the front door, which was a huge success last year, talking to all the families who came through and just educating everyone about the importance of early sepsis management. We'll also be running a stall near the canteen. So this year we're trying to implement the introduction of sepsis boxes, which should streamline our sepsis management protocols. And that will culminate on Friday with a series of talks, just highlighting what's new in the world of sepsis, the importance of sepsis management. And a big draw from last year is to have, which we're trying to do every year, is to have a patient story. So one of the survivors from ITU, Mr. Hugh Jones, will be coming along to just talk about his view of how he felt when he was septic and the treatment and so on.